Have you ever felt like you're working harder than ever, yet still missing the moments that matter most? I know that feeling too. As a mom of 4 and an empty nester, I've spent years juggling my health, family, and work. I needed a way to work from home, something flexible, simple, and actually doable. And that's when I discovered a system that finally made sense. A way for moms and dads to create passive income online without tech overwhelm, without spending hours a day, and without giving up family time. In this video, I'll show you what passive income looks like for parents, how my 2-hour workday is structured, the exact done-for-you digital products that I use, ranging from $100 to $900, where I keep 100% of the profit, and how you can start creating income that works for your family too. If you've been looking for something better, this just might be it. Now let's clear something up. Passive income doesn't mean do nothing and get rich. It means setting up systems that keep working for you, even when you're busy living life. For me, that looks like content and automation working in the background while I'm making dinner, resting because of my health, or spending time with family. It's about finally stepping off the treadmill of trading time for dollars and building something sustainable. Maybe you've tried some of the same things I did. Print on demand, Amazon KDP, freelance writing. I love creating, but these side hustles often come with problems. Steep learning curves, high costs and fees, tech headaches, or they eat up way more time than we actually have. Parents need something different, something that works in 2 hours a day, something that gives you time back instead of taking more of it away. Here's what my 2-hour workday looks like. The first hour I spend creating 2 to 3 pieces of simple content. These aren't fancy. They're designed to help one person who's struggling with time, money, or purpose like I once was. The next 30 minutes, I post free ads or go live. The system shows you exactly how to do this without a huge following. For the next 30 minutes, I connect with people who are interested, answer questions, and guide them to the Freedom Formula Blueprint so they can learn too. That's it. 2 focused hours a day. No cold messaging, no paid ads, no chasing friends and family. Just real content that connects with your ideal customer and an automated system doing the heavy lifting. If you're watching this and thinking this actually seems doable, I'd love for you to check out the same free guide I'm using. It's called the Freedom Formula Blueprint, and it walks you through how this whole system works step by step. You can grab it for free in the description below. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos like this. Now this is where it gets exciting. The system I'm using comes with 4 done-for-you digital products. A $100 product that's perfect for beginners, a $300 product that builds momentum fast, a $600 product that offers deep transformation, and a $900 product that creates those life-changing income days we all dream about. These products are already created, tested, and proven. I didn't have to spend months writing, designing, or figuring out customer service. And here's the best part, my friend. You keep 100% profit. That means if someone buys a $900 product, that $900 goes straight to you, not split with the company. As a mom managing my energy and health, I can't afford to waste hours building products from scratch. This part of the system is what makes it so doable. To make this work, you don't need a complicated setup. Here's what I use daily to run my business. The free version of CapCut for simple editing, Canva for graphics, pre-built funnel and website that comes ready to go. No coding, no tech stress, just plug and play tools that free up my time. Parents often spend decades putting everyone else first. For me, that meant raising 4 kids, managing a household, and pushing through my health struggles as best I could. But when I became an empty nester, I felt this ache, like I had lost my purpose. That's why the system is so powerful. It's not just about money. It's about gaining peace of mind, having more time with family and for yourself, creating something sustainable that can even outlast you. This isn't a hustle. It's a blueprint for freedom. If you want to see exactly how this works, you can grab my free freedom blueprint in the description below. It's the same system that showed me how to start from scratch and build the system step by step. If this video was helpful, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss future videos. I'll keep sharing videos that help you create passive income that fits your life as a busy mom, dad, or empty nester. And before you go, watch this next video.